Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to online English classes. Students, we are reading New Oxford Modern English Book 6. Today is our lecture number 1 and we are going to read the poem Mother to Son written by Langston Hughes. The theme of the poem is self, family, home, friends. Before starting this poem, I'm telling you a short introduction about the poem and background of this poem. Mother to Son. Mother to Son is a poem by Langston Hughes. It was first published in 1920 in The Crisis, a magazine dedicated to promoting civil rights in the United States, and was later collected in Hughes' first book, Their Very Blues, in 1926. The poem describes the difficulties that black people face in a racist society, alluding to the many obstacles and dangers that racism throws in their way. Obstacles and dangers that white people don't have to face. The poem also argues that black people can overcome these difficulties through persistence, resilience, and mutual support. Students, this is our first lecture, Mother to Son. Before starting this poem, I'm going to explain you the words to know. Open your page number 2 of the books and come on words to know. A climbing, ant. Informer has not, crystal, a high quality clear colorless glass. Honey, here term of endearment, dear, sweetie, darling. Eyes, a non-standard way of saying I have. Kinder, kind of. Landings, the flat area without steps where a stairways takes a turn. Sit down, stop, rest. Splinters, sharp, slender pieces of wood broken off from the main body. Tacks, short nails with a flat head, used for holding down a carpet, for example. Now this is the poem. We are going to read it. This is a poem by a mother and she is addressing to her son. She is giving advices to her son. So hold pencils in your hands and read it. Well, son, I'll tell you. Life for me ain't been no crystal stair. It's had tacks in it, and splinters, and boards torn up, and places with no carpet on the floor. Bar. But all the time I's been a climbing on, and reaching landings, and turning corners, and sometimes going in the dark where there ain't been no light. So, boy, don't you turn back. Don't you sit down on the steps, 'cause you find it's kinder hard. Don't you fall now, for I's been still going, honey. I's still climbing, and life for me ain't been no crystal stair. Langston Hughes. So, students, after reading the poem, I'm telling you the short description of the poem or short summary of the poem. In poem Mother to Son, a mother advises her son that he will face many adversities in life, but yet he must overcome them and keep going. The mother compares the journey through life to ascending a staircase. She says that for her, life has not been a staircase of crystal. Rather, it has been quite rough with protruding and pieces of nails jutting out, boards torn up, and places where the carpet was missing. However, she has kept climbing through landings, corners, and darkness in spite of such discomforts. She then asks the boy to walk in her footsteps and keep moving forward without turning back or giving up. She wants him to take inspiration from the fact that she is still going steady despite life's hardships. So, this is our today's task. Your homework task is this: you are going to write few lines about Langston Hughes and read the poem. Goodbye, have a nice day.